Hey, folks, we had a technical glitch that I think is going to keep us from showing the whole show. So we're just going to do our version of a lightning round. Who knows? Maybe they'll like the lightning round more than us yabbering about stocks, Pete.
Could be.
But we're going to kick it off with Signet Jewelers. Signet, folks, as you probably know, has a lot of jewelry centers across the country. Revenue, that's sales, they missed, as well as guidance missed. So I'm going to say, Pete, that I'm giving them a thumbs down on that. I'm not a buyer on this big 11% drop.
And I don't like the fact that their same-store sales dropped as much as they did in North America, down 10%. That's an issue as well. They did have some good margins, so I think from that perspective, I like it. But to your point, this is not one I'd be buying right now. Thumbs down.
2 thumbs down. All right. Well, PDD, Pinduoduo. These guys ran ads in the Super Bowl. They are basically something on Instagram Reels and TikTok that people see something really cheap. And they go, I can't believe I can get that for $12. Or I can't believe I can get this T-shirt for $1.99, whatever it might be. Anyway, Temu blew up. It just went zoom to the upside, Pete. And because of that, the stock was up to 147 earlier today. Now it's 130. So on that pullback of that massive jump and then pullback, I'm a buyer. Thumbs up.
I like it as well, John. When I look at the earnings and the growth is 46% rather, that's pretty amazing. When I look at everything fundamentally there, their cash to debt, their cash flow, all of that looks unbelievable. I think this is one of those companies where on this pullback, it's probably a gift. So I'm giving it a big thumbs up.
All right. So that's thumbs down on Signet, thumbs up, both of us on Pinduoduo, PDD. How about Chipotle Mexican Grill, Pete? This one doing a 50-for-1 stock split. Now, that's what they propose. It's not done yet, but they're voting on that. And I love, Pete, that they're going to be giving shares to their long-term team members. That is, people that have been there for 20 years or more. They're going to be getting equity grants. That's something you almost never see in the fast food or fast casual, whatever you want to call them. And big thumbs up from me on that.
Well, I'll tell you what, thumbs up because of the fact the CEO turned this ship. He turned it around. This is a stock that's absolutely ripped to the upside, now trading just about $3,000 a share. It's unbelievable. And to your point, John, he understands how to get the folks on the team side of things working together. And I did say team, like you were talking about. This isn't just employees. This is a team member operation. And those 20-year guys, can you imagine getting that stock out of that? That would be unbelievable. So when you've got record revenue, record profits, record growth, there's a lot of reasons to like this name when it's more affordable to buy.
Yeah, I'm right there with you. And lastly, NASDAQ, NDAQ. Bourse Dubai was their largest shareholder. They're going to sell 27 million shares. They're still holding on to an awful lot. So this is not their whole stake. But I think it's shrewd that they're selling at, a 52-week high, Pete, even though the price that they picked was $59 a share and the stock's above that. But that just shows you how well the NASDAQ is doing what they do, which is offering shares to the public, being an efficient market, and just growing their business year after year after year. So I'm giving this one a thumbs up as well, Pete.
Well, John, and on top of all that, they're only selling a third of their stake. So to your point, they have a very large stake in NASDAQ. They just won't be the largest holder any longer. But obviously it says a lot about NASDAQ itself. And when you look at the 52-week low of 47, the 52-week high of, call it, close to 63, and they're doing this at 59, it shows you the strength of NASDAQ. And I think for all the right reasons. You and I have worked there. We've been there. We've been there for many, many years at the NASDAQ. We know the people inside and out, CEO all the way down. Great people. They do an amazing job. And I think when you've got that going for you, that definitely helps going forward. So because of that, I'm giving it a big thumbs up as well.
Yeah, good people. And they've been nice enough to let us shoot the Rebel's Edge from there as well. So again, tip of the hat to all of you at NASDAQ and to all of you for joining us on a shortened version today because of a technical issue. But we will be back tomorrow, Thursday, at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you do check out marketrebellion.com/get started. We've got education as well as subscription products there. It's marketrebellion.com/get started. We'll see you tomorrow at 1, everybody.